Guys, I will be starting a new series, and it's where I'm going to be making DIY ASMR pods. So the base of each and every one of my ASMR pods that I will be making is going to be paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls. I decided that that's a good shape, and I'm sure everybody has them at home, so I'd suggest that you start collecting them right now. So this one is going to be called a twisty ASMR pod. This is 100% my idea. I've seen nobody else do this. So here, with the second roll, I'm just going to minimize the circumference of the toilet paper roll, and then I'm going to wrap it in some pretty yellow paper so that it's nice and pretty for you guys. And then I'm just going to cut out the little colors out of the other toilet paper roll, just like this. And then, since I have to flatten it out, I'm going to bend it back into a circular shape. And there you go. They go around the smaller toilet paper roll so easily. This is so much fun to play with. You can twist them around, take them off and on, and put them in a different order. You can have even more colors, and they're so much fun to play with. Tag me in a video if you make this. Bye!
Hey, I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY tangle. First, you need beads and these things. Take one of them and put beads on it. I finish with this part. Now put this part. When you're done to put the beads, you should do this. And the other part. And you have your own DIY tangle. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it.
How to make a DIY fidget toy. All you need is a bendy straw and a pair of scissors. You're going to want this type of bendy straw. And any pair of scissors. These are mine. First, you're going to want to pick a straw. First, you're going to want to estimate the size from the front to the bottom. And that's where you'll cut. Then you're left with this. You can dispose of this, or you can keep it, and I'll teach you how to make another DIY fidget toy with it. And there you go, your very own DIY fidget toy. Comment down below if you have any video ideas or any suggestions. And make sure to like for part 2. Bye guys!
I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it.
How to make DIY globbles part 2. Once you are done filling up your balloons with flour or blowing them up, tie them off. Make sure the knots are really tight. Then cut the top of the balloon off close to the knot. Now go to your sink. Close the plug and fill your sink with water. Next, grab your soap and put in 5 pumps. If you are using a bar of soap, wet it and then rub it on the globble before putting it in the water. Mix the soap in the water, then put in your globbles. Leave them in for about 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes are up, put them on a towel to dry. Once the globbles are dry, repeat the process 3 more times to make the globbles sticky. And you're done. Hope you enjoyed.
Let's make a DIY fidget. All you need is a plastic bag, 4 beads, and tape. Put your beads in the bag. Fill the bag with water. Also, you can put food coloring in the bag, if wanted. I'd also recommend to hot glue the bag shut. Then tape the bag like this. And there's your own DIY fidget.
How to make your own DIY fidget toy. These are all the things you'll need. A hair tie, scissors, and beads. They can be any colour. First of all, cut the hair tie. It should look like this. Then tie one end, like this. I'm going to use these. Tie the other end, and there you go.
Hey guys, so I have these balloons, so I'm going to be attempting to make DIY globbles out of them.
If you don't know what globbles are, basically they're balls that stick to each other and make a satisfying sound when you pull them apart. First step is to take however much balloons you want and to blow them up with some air. These are mine. I'm gonna plug this and fill it up with some water. Try to get warm water. I filled it up about halfway and I'm gonna put in some soap. I switched it around so that I made these bubbles. Take your balloons and put them in. Let them soak and rub in the soap. I put some soap in my hands and I'm gonna rub them. I'm basically just putting soap on it. I do that with all of them. Once they are done, take them out and let them dry. Once they are dry, you're going to want to do it again. Repeat this about 5 times. Now, the last time that you take them out, make sure to leave some soap on it. You can grab some of the foam as well and just place it on top. Come back for part 2.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Hi guys, so I made this fidget from empty lunch boxes and it's super duper easy to make. Hi guys, if you want to know how I make this, please like and follow my page and help me reach 1K on this video. Okay guys, that's all. Thank